Hey y'all, so thought I'd come on here to show you guys my latest bead haul. I cannot wait to open these beads. I've been waiting on these. These beads make me so happy. They just make me want to sing. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me while I open these up. And let's see what we got. Let's see what's in the package. She got this taped up really good. Okay, if I can get in the package, y'all. So this is a new beading company that I actually ordered from last week. She was doing a live video. So I got on her live and she had some really good sales. And they just arrived today. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Let's see. Look at all these goodies. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I don't know where to start. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Ooh wee. Wait till y'all see this. I can't wait to make this. This is going to be beautiful. Okay. We got some coral vocal beads. They're really pretty. These are beautiful. I hope y'all can see it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I cannot wait to make this. Oh my Lord. Oh goodness. My goodness gracious. These are beautiful. Y'all see this? Oh my goodness. Oh. And this is a like a deep reddish focal as well. Really pretty. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's beautiful. Guess I need to put them back in the package. So I'm gonna have to do that later. I'll put it in the package right quick. So if y'all don't know my story, I don't think I ever shared it. So I lost my anklet. That's how I actually got started. Lost my anklet at Publix grocery shopping. And anybody that knows me knows that I love anklets. So I was online looking and could never find another one. So I'm going to back up. So after I lost that anklet, I did call the store. Talked to the store manager. They could not find an anklet nowhere. I went through the parking lot looking because I got it custom made when I went to Cozumel. We did a girls trip a couple years back and I got this anklet custom made. So it fit perfectly. So whoever got their anklet, they got a really good anklet. They got a free find. So I decided to look for one. So I went online looking and could never find it. Find one that I like. So what I did was, I just said, okay, I'm going to make one. So I made one and all the women at work wanted me to make them one as well. And then it turned into, it went from anklets to bracelets to earrings to necklaces. And then before you know it, I had a whole little side business. So if anybody doesn't think that they can get a side business going, you can do it. Believe me, I didn't ever think I would do anything like this or be doing jewelry and everything. And now it has launched into my own body care line, Love to Bead Essentials. And you guys can buy it all at Love to Bead jewelryandmore.com. That's LUV2 BEAD JEWERLY and more.com. So I really enjoy making jewelry, and like I tell everybody, I make everything with love because I so love these beads. Give me life. Oh, y'all look at this. Oh my goodness, look. Ooh, I cannot wait to make this. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all see this? Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Oh. And we got some small hematite. Beads. My accent beads. These are really small. I think they're like 4mm. But they'll be a good accent to a necklace or either a bracelet. Oh, look at this. This is a bar. Oh my, I cannot wait to make this. Y'all look. Oh my goodness. Y'all see this? Oh my goodness, y'all. Look how pretty this is. You can't even see it. Can you see the shine? Oh, I cannot wait. Y'all, I cannot wait to make this up. It's going to be some beautiful jewelry coming, y'all. Look at this. This is another focal bead. Oh my God. Y'all see this? Beautiful. And I got 2 of these. They are beautiful. These, I was really excited about this. She had like a 3-day live, y'all. I've never seen nothing like that. She was on 3 days having a sale. Look at this. Wow. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty it is up against my skin. Wow. This is beautiful. I had to have 2 of these. So I got 2 of these. Look at this. Look at the blue tones. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is beautiful together. Okay, let's see what we got. Y'all liking these beads? I love them. Look at this. Look how pretty this is up against your skin. It's almost like a rainbow color. I love color too. Oh my goodness. Just wait till I make, oh my goodness, some jewelry with these. I love the quality of these beads. I will definitely order from her again. Oh my goodness, look at this. Ooh, wait. It's got some weight on it too. And I love beads that have weight to have you actually feel like you are wearing something. I love that. It's the same one as well. It's just a darker color. How pretty those are. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see. And I got it in gold as well too. These are a little smaller. Y'all, she had this live sale and I could not stop ordering stuff. I was out of control. But it's all worth it because you have to invest in yourself. If you don't invest in yourself, who else is going to invest in you? These are beautiful. These are small ones. I cannot wait to use these. Oh, goodness. Okay. And then I just got some small ones as well. I think these are 6mm. Can't remember. Look how pretty these are. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see? Y'all probably can't see the quality in these beads. Oh my goodness. Okay, on to this one. Ooh. Yeah, I love beading. Beading makes me so happy. Actually, I just love creating stuff. I just like creating stuff and seeing what the final product going to be, look at this. Look how pretty. Can you see it? Look how pretty this is. I got 2 of these. It'd be fine if I turn it the right way. Y'all can get some pretty stuff. Okay, this is a smaller one. A small gold tone. With some hematite, dark color. Pretty. I did good, y'all. I did so good at this sale. I'm gonna be set for a minute, so I won't have to order that much because I had already ordered some stuff anyway. Look how pretty. Ooh. And this is my last. No, it's not. I got something over here hiding. Oh, two things. No, 3 things over here. No, I already did these. I'm tripping. You see, I like opening stuff up. Okay, that's another gold one. Really pretty. I cannot wait till I start creating. It's gonna be some pretty jewelry, y'all. I love jewelry. I love wearing jewelry. Wearing beads. Look how pretty this is. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I got something I didn't open. Let's see what this is. This is a focal as well. Can y'all see how pretty this is? Look at this. I cannot wait to use this on something. These are some good quality beads. All my stuff is quality anyway. So if you're shopping with me, you're getting good quality items because I take a lot of pride in what I do. And like I said before, everything I do is made with love. I put my heart in every piece that I make, and I love making people happy. So, and I always say I wouldn't let someone wear something that I would not wear. And I wear my stuff. So y'all can see this. Can you see this? It's really cute. Cute little simple piece I made a while ago. So that's the end of my bead haul. Y'all, I did really good. These beads are beautiful. Just quality. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I can't wait to get started. I might get started tonight, but I'm gonna try not to. But I can't make no promises. These beads call me. They be calling me, y'all. So I can do something with them. Look at this. Beautiful. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I did really good once again. So I'm gonna say good night. Y'all be safe. So just in case you're wondering what my shirt says and what it looks like, I'm short T because I love the shirt. It says brown sugar. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good night. Be safe. Be blessed.